Oh dear, today we have two dessert. We have a lot of apples. So ang nagawa ko ng apple crumble since may dalawang cans ng pear and peach na hindi kinain ng mga bata. Ang ginagawa ko ay pear and peach crumble. So dalawa ang dish natin guys sa ating dessert ngayon. So apple crumble, peach and pear crumbles. Okay. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, Jennifer's Clubhouse. Subscribe, like, and click the notification bell. Hi! Welcome back to my channel. Ito si Jennifer again. Ngayong hapon, magawa tayo ng tea. Ito ang tea natin is just Lipton. Ayan, Lipton tea. And iced tea siya guys. So before ako, if I make an iced tea, I want to make sure na ang tea ko ay isoak ko siya ng hot water. So andito na si tea, soak with hot water. And all we have to do is to put it in. And after nyan, lagyan natin ng tubig. Ayan siya guys, tubig sa ating tea. And then, kung gusto ninyo na matamis na tea, ang gagawin ninyo ay lagyan ninyo ng stevia sugar. So ayan siya guys, pwede ito pag diabetic ka guys, mas okay ang stevia gagamitin mo for your tea. Ayan siya, ang ating stevia, siguro lagyan natin siya ng apat na stevia sachet. So ito siya, gusto ko if I want to buy a stevia sachet, stevia sugar. If I want to buy stevia, hindi yung the whole bag. Gusto ko yung sachet dahil pag mag-coffee ka or mag-tea ka, if you want some sugar, isang sachet na lang ang gagamitin mo. Well, siguro we'll add 5. Dahil si stevia guys is not really sugar. Pampatamis siya, but different. Iba-iba ang ano niya. So, safe tayo sa mga diabetic. Safe tayo dyan. And still a little bit. So, ito ang ginamit ko. So ito ang ginamit ko, Lipton tea. And we'll try this. With some ice in it. And you're good. Lipton iced tea, guys. Oh my. So sweet. Oh my gosh. It's really sweet. Dapat tatlo lang nilagay ko. Nasubrahan. Nasubrahan ko ng tamis. Oh dear. Nasobrahan ko siya ng tamis. So sweet. Oh. Nahulog pa yung ano. Welcome to my channel. So, dito na naman tayo. Nakaluto ako ng peach and pear crumble and meron na tayo dito apple crumble. Ito ang favorito namin na ano guys, or madali kong maluto dahil meron kaming maraming apple all the time. Dahil ito si asawa ko at si liit ko ay mahilig sila ng apple. Okay, so tingnan natin ang ating apple crumble. apple crumble, guys. And si peach crumble. So ito ang peach and apple crumble. Wow. So dito pala ako dahil andito ang ating computer. And of course, hindi kumpleto ang ating crumble pag wala tayong ice cream. So if you eat crumble, guys, make sure na meron kayo ice cream. I don't know for some reasons. Paarte lang ito siya or paek-ek. Ice cream on top. Oh my gosh, look at that. So yummy. This is peach and pear crumble and yan si apple crumble. Tikman natin, guys, dahil mag-melt na si ice cream. I don't know for some reasons pag kakain kami ng crumble, apple or whatever crumble, guys, or pie, masarap lagyan talaga ng ice cream. I don't know. Ano, pareho lang naman siguro yan, puro sweet, diba? Lepton lang siya, guys. Iced tea Lepton ang gamit ko. So, this is very yummy. So, bababa na yun ang mga bata. Ang isa walang lunch, ang isa may lunch. Oh, nako, ang news sa Pilipinas. Maraming news sa Pilipinas, guys. Makahagilap ka talaga sa mga news. And by the way, yesterday, ang election natapos, November 3, and natapos na rin tayo sa ating 4,000 watch hours. Oh my gosh! Clap, 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 clap. Natapos na rin tayo sa ating 4,000 na watch hours. Thank you very much sa lahat na nag-watch, guys, and sa lahat na nag-subscribe. Thank you very much sa inyong lahat. Kung hindi pa kayo, wala ako dito. So, thank you. So, bukas meron na tayong mga pa-add siguro or baka next week. Depende, guys. So, tingnan natin kung walang palpak. Otherwise, kung may palpak, wala kayo makita, guys. But kung tuloy-tuloy, guys, tuloy-tuloy din ang ating ligaya. Oh my, tuloy-tuloy ang ligaya. I thank you very much sa lahat ng mga taong nag-subscribe and sa lahat ng mga taong nag-sub sa akin. Especially mention sa aking sister-in-law, si Rona. And thank you very much dahil kung wala pa kayo, guys, wala ako dito. Oh my, pretty girl. Oh my goodness. Hindi ko makakalimutan, guys. Election day, natapos ang ating requirements. Wow. Thank you, and thank you. Thank you very much. And please, oh, okay.
Ay, nako!
I can't say my
I'm
outro.
gonna eat this food,
Okay.
Mama.
Thank you very much. And please subscribe, like, and click the notification bell. Cheers! Okay, you can eat now. Turn it off and... So thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and click the notification bell. Thank you! Hanggang sa susunod. Salamat mga tao. So this is an apple crumble. And this is our peach and pear crumble. So ayan siya, guys. And this is what we use for tea.
because I feel like
Yeah,
I'll
you
drop
can
more
change it.
I'll drop more than necessary.
Put the plate in the bottom there so that you will not spill.
Okay.
And my daughter is eating with a camouflage bubble gum there.
What in the...
So thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and click the notification bell. Thank you. Hanggang sa